arbitrationagreements.org. You've probably heard about arbitration, but do you really know what it is? Today, we're going to unravel the basics of voluntary arbitration and understand why it's becoming a preferred method for dispute resolution. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money. Arbitration, in its simplest form, is a process where disputing parties agree to let a neutral third party, known as the arbitrator, make a decision that resolves their dispute. Unlike litigation, which is handled in a courtroom, arbitration tends to be more private, often quicker, and generally more cost-effective. Interesting fact for you, a recent study by the Federal Mediation and Conciliation Service showed that voluntary arbitration resolved disputes 20% faster than traditional litigation, and over 90% of disputes settled in arbitration do not go to appeal. But how does voluntary arbitration work? Let's break it down into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Agree to arbitrate. First, both parties must agree to use arbitration instead of going to court. This can be decided beforehand in a contract clause or agreed upon after a dispute arises. Step 2. Choose the arbitrator. The parties then agree on a neutral third party who will arbitrate their dispute. Arbitrators can be individuals or institutions, and often have expertise in the field of the dispute. Step 3. The arbitration process. Here, each party presents their case and evidence to the arbitrator, who then makes a decision, often referred to as the award. This award is generally final and legally binding on both parties. Voluntary arbitration offers many benefits. It's often faster, more flexible, and more confidential than litigation. It also allows the parties to choose a decision-maker with expertise in their specific area of dispute, something that's not always possible in court. According to a recent report, businesses have increasingly used arbitration in recent years, with an average annual growth rate of 8%. If you want to learn more information about voluntary arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. Also, we want to hear from you. What makes you interested in voluntary arbitration? Drop a comment below and let us know. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.